Hey guys, today we're solving rational equations using the least common denominator, and then we're going to check the solution. So you'll see here I have a rational equation, and I need to find my least common denominator. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to take my two different denominators here. I have an x minus 1 and an x. So I'm going to multiply everything by x times x minus 1. So that leaves me with numerators of x times x minus 1 times 2x minus 2 over x minus 1 minus 3x times x minus 1 over x equals 2x times x minus 1 over x minus 1. So I can cancel my x minus 1 here, I can cancel these x's, and I can cancel these x minus 1's, leaving me with x times 2x minus 2 minus 3 times x minus 1 equals 2x. Well, let's do some distributive property and simplify, leaving me with 2x squared minus 2x minus 3x plus 3 equals 2x. Well, if I bring my 2x over and simplify the left side here, I'm left with 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 equals 0. Well, in order to find our value of x, what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to need to do the quadratic formula. You could factor this into two parentheses, but I want to do the quadratic formula so I can show you how to do this in case you get a situation where you can't factor it into two parentheses as easily. So we'll do x equals, well, we need our a, our b, and our c, right? So a is 2, b is negative 7, and c is 3. So this is going to be x equals negative b. So that is a negative 7, which is a positive 7, plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is 49, minus 4 times a, which is 2, times c, which is 3, all over 2a, which is 2 times 2, which is 4. So this is 7 plus or minus the square root of 49 minus 24 over 4. And that's going to be 7 plus or minus the square root of 25 over 4. So that's 7 plus or minus 5 over 4. And now I can split it into two problems, and that's 7 plus 5 over 4 and 7 minus 5 over 4. And 7 plus 5 is 12 over 4, and that's 3. And I have 7 minus 5, which is 2 over 4, and that's 1/2. So I'm going to put that up here. X is equal to 3, and x is equal to 1/2. All right, now that we know that, I need to check it. Make a little room here, and I'm going to check for x is equal to 3. 2 times 3 minus 2 over 3 minus 1 minus 3 over 3 is equal to 2 over 3 minus 1. So we have 6 minus 2 over 2 minus 1 over 1, because 3 over 3 is 1 over 1, equals 2 over 2. Well, 6 minus 2 is 4 over 2. How about we just say this is minus 1? Equals, well, 2 over 2 is also 1. Okay? So 4 divided by 2 is 2, minus 1 equals 1. Well, 2 minus 1 is 1's, 1 equals 1, so 3 works. Check. Now this next one's a little trickier because it's a fraction, but we're still going to try. All right, so I have 2 times 1/2 minus 2 over 1/2 minus 1 minus 3 over 1/2, is equal to 2 over 1/2 minus 1. All right, so let's simplify. On the top here, I have 2 times 1/2. So half of 2 is 1. So 1 minus 2. And then on the bottom, I have 1/2 minus 1. So 1/2 minus 1 is just negative 1/2 minus 3 divided by 1/2. That's actually the same as 3 times 2. All right, so that's going to be 6 equals 2 over, well, remember 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2. So here we'll simplify this. We have negative 1 on top because 1 minus 2 is negative 1. All right, divided by negative 1/2 minus 6 is equal to, remember, 2 divided by negative 1/2 is the same as 2 times negative 2. So that's going to be negative 4. All right. And now negative 1 divided by negative 2 is just negative 1 times negative 2, which is just 2. 2 minus 6 equals negative 4. 2 minus 6 is negative 4. That's true. Negative 4 equals negative 4. So x also equals 1/2. So our answers are x equals 3 and x equals 1/2. And that is how you solve this rational equation using the least common denominator and then check the solution. Hope that helps.